about 4 or 5 days old.
He might be 4 or 5 days old.
Just from watching my other ones grow.
We had other ones in this tree, exactly like him, we think. But I mean, yeah. We're gonna be feeding him the eggs, these eggs, and egg yolk. We'll show you how to make them. And we put him on this, we found this egg on the nest, and a nest that was abandoned, we think. And we put him in there. He's in this box. I think if it's a girl, I'm going to name it Faith, because it's faithful to be alive. Mom, what do you think we should name it if it's a boy? What if it's a good boy?
It's not. We're not going to ever know. Sure.
Well, we're just going to keep it. We're just going to keep it with Faith, but I mean, ain't he so cute? Ain't she so cute? How we found this bird is our dogs were like surrounding it. There they are. Sam is a girl. Max is a boy. They were surrounding it, and so Dad told, we have invisible line. That's how they didn't get to it. But I mean, Dad, it's like, why are they surrounding it? So he looks, and we found this bird. His feet are a little bit messed up from that fall. His brother or sister, her brother or her sister was dead already. So
how do you know?
Yeah. So isn't he so cute? Yeah. We already spent 2 minutes, so when the eggs start boiling, I want to hit play again. I'm going to be back. I'm going to hit play. And we'll show you how to feed these birds. Now, when they get older and they're like if they're older than this and you don't want to really take care of a bird, call the vet or a wildlife.
Hey, go ahead and take that trash out for me, please.
So, yeah. See you guys. Hi guys.
What I'm gonna do,
okay, I forgot my mom.
Okay, stop.
So, we did figure out what to feed the bird. And yeah, so all you need is egg yolk. All you need is egg yolk, worms, and water. And you can feed them seeds, but that's not going to be enough protein. You need lots of protein for a bird. And you put it, like, I'll show you what I put it in, but I mean, so cute. There's 2 birds in the nest. Not really 2, but I mean, there's an egg. Sorry, my hair is so crazy, but alright, let me show you. Look how this cutesy thing. Camera's not focusing, but don't touch it. Put it in this. This is egg yolk. You have to like. Mama, sleeping. Oh, hi, buddy. It doesn't have rabies at this age, but yeah. So thanks for watching my video. Leave a like, comment, and yeah. This is my first video. I will be doing more on nature wildlife about dogs or anything like that. But yeah. But I'll look nicer. Of course, bye.